my name is Rosie Gill, and I'm the Director of Education at Milk Street, and this is another Milk Street at Home. We're getting out of the pantry, people, and we're going into the garden. Thank goodness it's summer. We get so many questions from our students at our cooking school about how to maximize vegetables. They're really curious and excited to eat more of them. In this video, the answer is simple. Cook your dressing, not your vegetables. The sun and the soil are doing all of the work for us. They're creating nuanced flavor, great textures, and really chefs just get in the way. We mess things up. However, we can still have fun and cook by focusing on our salad dressings, and we can create really hearty and robust flavors to make those vegetarian meals or sides feel satisfying and exciting and things we want to return to. Cooked salad dressings are nothing new. The Southern Indian kosambari and the French salad Lyonnaise both use hot dressings with a lot of flavor and raw vegetables. We're going to do something similar here by caramelizing tomato paste, adding some spices, and then really perking it up with a lot of lemon zest and lemon juice. This salad dressing is inspired by Alon Shaya, a New Orleans-based chef. The steps for building a really aromatic and deeply flavored salad dressing are pretty simple. You just need to take some care. Follow these simple instructions and you will build a salad dressing that will really maximize your summer vegetables. So in a cold pan, heat a 1/4 cup of oil and 2 teaspoons to a tablespoon of spices. I'm using olive oil because I'm making a very Mediterranean flavored salad and cumin seeds, but you could use a neutral oil in different aromatics, different spices. Really depends on what flavors you want to develop. But you want to do this slowly. The more slowly you can heat up the cumin seeds in the olive oil, the more time they have to infuse the oil with their flavor, but also to develop new flavors of their own that are released in the fat. Once that oil is deeply aromatic, you want to add 1/3 cup of tomato paste and let it brown. We're really looking for color difference. You're going to concentrate the flavor. Here's the heartiness that will make a salad feel really satisfying, right? Because we're leaving all the veggies raw. Once the tomato paste is brown, put that right into your serving bowl. Add 3/4 teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of fresh cracked black pepper. Add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and I'm adding lemon zest as well. I like the bitter freshness. I love to layer the same ingredient twice. It really ties a dish together. Then to the warm dressing, add those vegetables that can handle a little heat. In my case, it's tomatoes and zucchini. The cut surfaces will really absorb some of the flavors, and I'm seasoning the vegetables from within. Once the dressing has had a little bit of time to cool, just a minute, I'm tossing in arugula and fresh herbs. There you have it. Raw vegetables, let nature do its work. Cooks, your business is in the salad dressing.